In this video, we are going to see how to create teams by selecting the teams menu item from the sidebar. You can see all the available teams at the moment, and of course you can create a new one. So actually a team, it's a set of participants, and the team formation is handled by the tutor or the organizer. So it's very easy. The first thing is to set a name, for example, Blue Dragons, and then you're going to add participants as members of the team, and of course you have to define for which hackathon you want to create this team for. So let's go from the hackathon first. So here you have all the available hackathons. So let me select one. And for this specific hackathon, we should create, we should set the members for the Blue Dragons team. We just click here and you can see a list of participants. You can just select from here, or if you like, you can just search for a specific name. By clicking this button, you have already your members in the team. If you want to remove somebody, just click the delete item and that's it. When you are happy with your decision, you just click save and that's it.